Yeah, what's up, family? I just wanted to make one more video on this disgusting ass white person that called herself making a replica of our sister Queen Nefertiti. Now, look at this white man. See, what he did was he made that sister look as close to him as possible. And he got a nerve to put his pink ass face up next to her. Now, if you think about it, that's the same damn thing they did with the image of Jesus, right? They made Jesus look just like they ass. Blonde hair and blue eyes, right? They think they fooling the damn people, but they not, right? And another thing I wanted to say, right? This is proof, man, that they don't want black people to know that they have a history beyond being in America. See, because if you think about it, right, Black History Month is no more than just American history. You see, because when we talk about black history, all we talk about is our accomplishments here in America, right? So this is proof that they don't want us to go beyond America. They don't want us to know about our history beyond America. This is proof, man. That guy next to that fake ass statue of Queen Nefertiti is the damn devil. Look at him. Look at his eyes, man. You know, he's a deceiver, a liar and a deceiver. That's what white people do. This guy should be ashamed of his damn self, man. He make this whole race of people look bad. You know why? Because there's nobody happy about that damn statue but them. Right? And what does that do to them? It makes them feel more better about themselves, right? And to the average black person that don't know no better, you might feel like, damn, man, our people ain't great at all. Because the white man have took and flipped history. They flipped it and made it into their favor. Right? But black people, let me tell you, man, you have accomplished great things even before you came to America. But the white man stripped us of all that history, man. They stripped us of all that history, man. They tore us away from our parents and everything, man. See, what needs to be done is their history needs to be documented and put on damn film, which is out there. You can find it. You can find the true nature of the white man. All you gotta do is listen to the Honorable Elijah Muhammad. This shit is disgrace. And they had a nerve to come up with this during so-called Black History Month. Right? So basically what he's trying to do is tell you, black man, that your history begins right here in America. Which is not true at all. See, they went over in Egypt and stole all that shit out them tombs. They blew the noses and the lips off the Sphinx, so that we wouldn't know that we come from greatness, man. You know, and they partly the reason for the condition that we are in today, right? And then you got a lot of Negroes, like I said in my last video, that said we gotta stop blaming the white man. Look at him, man. He's still up to his same old dirty tricks here in 2018, man. So the hell with y'all that said we need to stop blaming the white man. Because if here it is, 2018, if they still trying to steal your damn history and don't want you to know who you are, then they still the same damn devils that the Honorable Elijah Muhammad spoke about. So yeah, that's all I had to say. Nice little brief little video, man. These crackers, man, they the devil. I'm telling you, I really believe that. You know, because now at my age, I have heard enough about them and their history and what they have done all around the world since they have been on this damn planet, man. This right here is tricknology, man. They trying to trick you. don't want you to know your history beyond America. You know, and most of the achievements that we accomplished in America, they took credit for. Man, Black History, man, February, they give us the shortest month. First of all, Black History used to be a week. They gave us Black History Week. And as a matter of fact, Carter G. Woodson is the black man that started Black History Month. But it was Black History Week at first. See, they don't tell you that. You gotta go find this information out on your own. And then you gotta ask yourself, why didn't they want us to read when they first brought us over here? Now here it is. We are from Africa. And these crackers spoke English. So they had a whole bunch of English books. But they did not want us to get hold of no books because they knew how intelligent we was. They knew that we would figure that shit out. So they said, no, keep them away from books, even though they knew we didn't speak no damn English. But they were still afraid to let us get hold of books. Why? Because they know more about our history, goddammit, than we do today. I'm sick of it, man. Ain't get no more respect from me, man. The fucking crackers are the devil. Like I said in my last video, the Honorable Elijah Muhammad was right. The white man is the damn devil. Yeah, I said it. And the hell with you Negroes that say we gotta stop blaming the white man. You stop blaming them. See, this is what happens when you stop blaming them. They feel like they can continue on with the trickery and the fuckery and the bullshitting the people. So you Negroes that want to be with the white man, you go right ahead. And then your ass is going down with them.